Hello students, this is Professor Bharat Naik from Mechanical Department. Today we will be seeing continuity of module number 3, heat exchangers. Water flows at the rate of 65 kg per minute through a double pipe counterflow heat exchanger. Water is heated from 50 degrees Celsius to 75 degrees Celsius. The inlet temperature of the water is 50 degrees Celsius and the outlet temperature of the water is 75 degrees Celsius. By an oil flowing through the tube, the specific heat of the oil is 1.780 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. The oil enters at 115 degrees Celsius and leaves at 70 degrees Celsius. The inlet temperature of the oil is 115 degrees Celsius and the outlet temperature of the oil is 70 degrees Celsius. The overall heat transfer coefficient is 340 watt per meter square Kelvin. Calculate the following: heat exchanger area, rate of heat transfer. Counterflow heat exchanger. In counterflow heat exchanger, both the fluids are flowing in the opposite direction. The inlet temperature of the hot fluid is T1 and the outlet temperature of the hot fluid is T2. The inlet temperature of the cold fluid is T1 and the outlet temperature of the cold fluid is T2. Mass flow rate of water equal to 1.08 kg per second. The inlet temperature of the water is 50 degrees Celsius and the outlet temperature of the water is 75 degrees Celsius. Specific heat of hot fluid is 1.780 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. Inlet temperature of the oil is 115 degrees Celsius and the exit temperature of the oil is 70 degrees Celsius. Overall heat transfer coefficient is 340 watt per meter square Kelvin. We are finding here heat exchanger area, rate of heat transfer. We know that heat transfer Q equal to mass flow rate of cold fluid, specific heat of cold fluid, the outlet temperature of the cold fluid minus the inlet temperature of the cold fluid, or mass flow rate of hot fluid, specific heat of hot fluid, the inlet temperature of the hot fluid minus the outlet temperature of the hot fluid. Q equal to mass flow rate of cold fluid, specific heat of cold fluid, the outlet temperature of the cold fluid minus the inlet temperature of the cold fluid. Mass flow rate of the cold fluid is 1.08 kg per second. Specific heat of cold fluid is 4.186 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. The outlet temperature of the cold fluid is 75 degrees Celsius. The inlet temperature of the cold fluid is 50 degrees Celsius. Therefore, Q equal to 113 kilowatt. We know that heat transfer Q equal to UA LMTD. U is overall heat transfer coefficient, A is surface area, and LMTD. Therefore, LMTD equal to 28.8 degree Celsius. Q is equal to UA LMTD. Overall heat transfer coefficient is 340 watt per meter square Kelvin. Q equal to 113 kilowatt. Area is unknown. LMTD equal to 28.8 degrees Celsius. Therefore, our required area is 11.54 meters square. A parallel flow heat exchanger is used to cool 4.2 kg per minute of hot liquid of specific heat 3.5 kilojoule per kg Kelvin at 130 degrees Celsius. The inlet temperature of the hot liquid is 130 degrees Celsius. The cooling water of specific heat 4.18 kilojoule per kg Kelvin is used for cooling purpose of a temperature of 15 degrees Celsius. The inlet temperature of the cold fluid is 15 degrees Celsius. The mass flow rate of the cold fluid is 17 kg per minute, calculate the following. First one, outlet temperature of liquid, outlet temperature of water, effectiveness of heat exchanger. Parallel flow heat exchanger. If both the fluids are flowing in the same direction, then it is called as parallel flow heat exchanger. There is a heat transfer takes place from hot fluid to the cold fluid. Therefore, the temperature of the cold fluid will increases, whereas the temperature of the hot fluid will decreases. Overall heat transfer coefficient is 1100 watt per meter square Kelvin. Heat exchanger area is 0.30 meter square. Mass flow rate of hot liquid 0.07 kg per second. Specific heat of hot liquid 3.5 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. And already they mentioned that the inlet temperature of the cold fluid is 15 degrees Celsius and the mass flow rate of the cold fluid is 17 kg per minute. Capacity rate is the product of mass flow rate and the specific heat. Capacity rate of hot liquid equal to mass flow rate of hot liquid multiplied by specific heat of hot liquid. Mass flow rate of the hot liquid is 0.07 kg per second. Specific heat of hot liquid is 3.5 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. Therefore, capacity rate of hot liquid equal to 245 watt per Kelvin. Capacity rate of water Cc equal to mass flow rate of cold fluid multiplied by specific heat of cold fluid. Mass flow rate of the cold fluid is 0.28 kg per second. Specific heat of water is 4.18 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. Therefore, capacity rate of water equal to 1170.4 watt per Kelvin. Ch equal to 245 watt per Kelvin. Cc equal to 1170.4 watt per Kelvin. Therefore, Cmean equal to 245 watt per Kelvin. Cmax equal to 1170.4 watt per Kelvin. Capacity ratio is defined as the ratio of Cmean by Cmax. Cmean equal to 245, Cmax equal to 1170.4. Therefore, capacity ratio equal to 0.209. Number of transfer unit. Overall heat transfer is known to us, that is 1100 watt per meter square Kelvin. Area equal to 0.30. Already we calculated Cmean 245 watt per Kelvin. Therefore, N2 equal to 1.34. N2 equal to 1.34. X-axis N2 equal to 1.34. Curve Cmean by Cmax 0.209. Corresponding y-axis value is 64%, that is effectiveness equal to 0.64. N2 equal to 1.34. Cmean by Cmax curve equal to 0.209. Therefore, corresponding effectiveness is 64%. Therefore, effectiveness equal to 0.64. Effectiveness is defined as actual heat transfer by maximum heat transfer. Mass flow rate of hot fluid equal to, mass flow rate of hot fluid multiplied by specific heat of hot fluid equal to Cmean. Therefore, Cmean get cancelled. From this, we'll get the outlet temperature of the hot fluid. that is 56.4 degree Celsius. To find outlet temperature of the cold fluid, heat reduced by the hot fluid, heat gained by the cold fluid. Therefore, cold temperature, that is outlet temperature of the cold water, is 30.4 degree Celsius. Thank you.